Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss very important technique and method that I use while short-term trading, or we can call it for swing trading. And this technique is called clustering technique. So friends, if you have not seen my previous video, please I will recommend that you should see so you will understand this algorithm model. And we have trend direction, that is very important. Trend direction 1 is another layer that define more in depth where trend is going. But overall overview of trend direction we can define from TD, and you can see trend direction is either up or down. And this clustering technique I will implement for downtrend. So you can see we have one cluster of down days. The stock was down on these 3 weeks. And how I implement this, I will show you. We have RSI, and we can see on 30th September stock was at relative strength index of 64, and next day it went down in the downtrend. And from here I will go 20 point down. For example, 20 days down 44. Here I have opportunity to go into and buy stock because it's almost 729 down from our predicted value. And if I buy at that point 20 point down, for example 10,217, and I thought on that day 10th of 3rd of October that okay, I should make some entry here. And it depends on the risk management how much you will invest at that point. If for example if I have 100 krone, I will implement 5% here, 5% at that point. But next day, oh, I made a blunder. Oh, this was the good point that normally every trader thinks okay, but next day it was little bit up, then it's up, up, and then at some point I thought okay, I should make a little bit I should wait. This is also good point to invest, but let's I have invested. I made the entry here at 20 point down from the top of RSI. But you can see friends, the next after 1 week stock was at its price. It's above my prime buy. So we are only looking at this cluster. It is 300, 500, 600, 500, so it's all above, and you can see a relative strength index is going up 44, 37. Yeah, maybe there's some bad news about the stock. Yeah, this, but stock is again going up, and from here it's in uptrend. So I will show you this on the chart. Friends, you can see this chart. This chart has been designed from the table I just showed. This is one cluster, this is one cluster. So you can see this cluster is going down, and if you bought somewhere here, let's you made average somewhere here. And my algorithm, I usually use this for long term. It can be for 6 months, 1 year. So whenever this crosses my predicted value, I buy. But I'm right now I'm talking for swing trade. So if I made some investment here and stock is all the way down, so most probably I buy a little bit here also for short term swing trading. And when it gets crosses this value, I will wait. And it's same applied here. It's down cluster, one cluster down. So that's how I use this algorithm, regression algorithm for cluster, and using clustering technique for short term investment, or we can say swing trading. I make a swing trading through this technique. And that's what I have for today, friends. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.